This is Shur and Tefila, and that we say, Valition, Hu yiftach benu b'toratu. Hashem will open our hearts to His Torah. We daven to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, we ask help for Hashem, from Hashem, that Hashem should open our heart. What does that mean? Our heart is open or it's not open? But as we ask Yachad Kollel from HaKadosh Baruch Hu, whatever that we do, we ask Hashem to help us. Helps our actions. In other words, how does Yiftach benu b'toratu means? First of all, when we express that, we are telling HaKadosh Baruch Hu, that's our motivation. That's the thing that we are looking for. Help us to get to our motivation. And the other thing is that when a father sees that the son is eager to do his will, the father acts differently. The father would act differently. When the father sees that, the child wants the father acts. In other words, there's this story about the family, the father with two children that was in a boat, a ship, and they were traveling, and it was a storm that the ship came over, and the father took two child and carried with himself, swim 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. He got very tired, and he got to a point that he has to let one go. He didn't know what to do. He lets one to go. The other one screams, says, "Appa, Appa, I want you. Appa, Appa, I want you. Don't leave me." Once the father heard that, the father gathered all of his power together and went back. He got his son, and he swam with all of the power that he had, and he got him to the shore. Everybody, what happened here? When father felt very tired, he felt he doesn't have power. It's nothing. When the child screamed from the bottom of his heart, and she wanted the father, he wanted life, the father acted differently. Zohar HaKadosh says, even though that there is no zechut, there is no merit, is empty, there is nothing. When a child cries to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, he opens his heart to Hashem, and he davens to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, Hashem cannot not respond. Hashem will respond. And especially these days that we have such a crucial moment for Kahal Israel. Kahal Israel, they need the Tefilot. Once we daven and pray, even if there is no zechut, there is no merit, that turns over the mercy of the Father for the children. The Father will do it, will save it. And then the only thing is that intensity of the daven and praying makes it. The Avsad Midrash tell himself there are 10 lashonot in Tefila. What's 10 lashonot? All are one. It depends on the intensity of Tefila. When you will see life of the Halisah is in danger, intensity of Tefila is a bit different. You cannot daven like somebody is losing something. No, the Halisah is in danger. Then you put your kochot together, you put your power together. You don't feel tired. You don't feel, how could I do it? No, the person gets power. We have to empower ourselves, just like soldiers are fighting. We have to fight also. Our weapon is our Torah, Tefila. We should see they are giving nefesh. We have to give, we have to overcome also, and to daven and pray to be a good soldier for HaKadosh Baruch Hu and Israel.